Ace it in 3, 2, 1. Hey there, I'm Lauren with Ace, and today we are talking all about seed starting. Just like the victory gardens of our past, families can cultivate a sense of pride, satisfaction, and contribution by planting fruits and vegetables in their backyard. Today, we're here with our Ace Lawn and Garden expert, Matt. Matt, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. Ready to talk some seed starting?
Absolutely. So first and foremost, you want to understand the area that you're in. So like us, we're in cold weather climate, so starting the seeds outside is not a great idea. You want to be sure that you don't move plants or the seeds to outdoors until after the last frost of the season to make sure that you get the growth that you're looking for quick and early. So having a few options like the plastic pots that are over by you, they make seed starting trays that you can utilize, or there's these seed starting pots. And what I like about these is they're like a cardboard type material that hold the moisture really well, but they also have this drainage port at the bottom to allow any excess water to get out. So that way you ensure that you have the proper amount for getting that seed started. Second is having the right type of soil. So a topsoil or a potting soil, they really get clumpy and wet and muddy, which compacts on that seed and doesn't allow the roots to sprout or grow, and you don't get that quick kickoff to the season. So having a potting soil or a potting mix like this, which actually it's a looser potting soil or a potting mix, has these fertilizers and nutrients within there, as well as a peat moss that helps with water retention. That really helps the seed to have the best environment possible. Third tip is knowing where you're going to be inside your house when you're planting these. So there's two key essential things that the seeds look for to start for, and that's warmth and sunlight. And having those areas within your house, if you don't have a great spot that gets plenty of sunlight, you want to make sure that you get either a plant light or something that you can put over that provides the benefits of the sunlight without having to find that location in your house.
What a good idea.
Yeah.
So when you're ready to plant these pots outside, do you leave the plants in or do you take them out?
So that's a good question. You can actually, these are designed to do it either way. You can pull a plant out pretty easily, transplant it on the ground, or you can actually just take and bury this whole pot, plants and all, right in the ground, and you're off to a good start.
I love this project. Of all the ones we've talked about, this is my favorite, to get the family involved, the kids involved.
Absolutely. Kids would love to do something like this. Kids always love to play in the dirt, to play outside. So this is a good way to get them involved. They learn along the way by how to take care of the plant. They get to see it start to grow and really reap the benefits.
Yeah, they get the reward for the work they put in.
Exactly.
It's very cool. Well, thank you for being here. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
And be sure to visit us on acehardware.com for more helpful tips and advice from Ace, the helpful place.